Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Just a quick video for you today on how to take care of your nail art brushes. So here I've got my two nail art brushes. You can see that one has been sprayed out. It's just got a bit damaged in my kit as we're at home. So this is the Magpie Detailer and Striper brush. So I'll be showing you today just how to kind of correct any problems with your brushes. The Striper one isn't too bad, but we'll give it a go. So I've just got a little container here of boiling hot water, and I'm just going to start off with the detailer brush, which obviously you can see is really sprayed out, so I really need to sort this out before I try and use it. I do normally keep it in the gold lids, but obviously it's just come off. So just dipping the brush into the boiling water there, and then just getting some kitchen roll or something like that and just wiping off the water. You want to pinch it and do it flatly rather than into the kitchen roll. So there, I'm just doing it again, so you can see it's just starting to straighten out and all the bristles are coming back together. So there you go, that's how you wipe the brushes. So you can already see that it's looking so much better. I'm just going to do it a couple more times into the water just to make sure that it's all as straight as it possibly can, and then obviously wiping off into my lint-free wipe, so you can see it's looking so much better. So, and then I'm going to get the striper brush. This isn't too bad, like I said, but it's worth doing it just to make sure that all the bristles are absolutely fine and in place. Just holding it in the boiling water, and again just wiping off very flatly and kind of pinching it together. So hopefully you can see there that it's just looking a little bit better. And just doing it one more time just with the striper brush, just to make sure that it's all okay. And this is quite quick and easy to do, and obviously you just need some hot water. So you can already see there how much better they're already looking. So then just for the next step, I'm just going to grab some clear gel. So I'm using the Magpie Give Me Strength, and I'm just brushing the clear gel onto the bristles, and this is really going to help kind of put those bristles together and just make sure that they stay in place. I am just going to wipe off the gel though and just kind of run it through the bristles just to try and piece those bristles back together. This is also how I clean in between sort of clients as well, is just with the clear gel, but you can see how much that's pinched the bristles together, especially on that detailer brush. And then just one more time with the clear gel, and I'm actually going to keep the clear gel on this time. I'm not going to wipe it off. Again, this is a really good tip for keeping your nail art brushes good between each client. So, and then I'm just going to grab the gold lids and just pop them back in. Make sure the lid is secured on there. So that's the detailer brush and then the striper brush. So you don't want to be putting any other liquids or acetone or anything. It will really dry the bristles out. So obviously doing this hot water trick and using the clear gel is really the best way to take care of your brushes. So I hope that you like this quick video, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all again soon.